everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create the straight line on your image. I already have one image on my timeline. Let's begin. First, select your pen tool and create a one line from starting to the end point. And click in one point and then click in the another point. Now your line is created. If you want a straight line, make sure you hold the shift button and then click on the another point which will create the straight line. Now to increase the thickness of this line, go to the shape and open it and then uncheck the fill button and check the stroke button and increase the size of the stroke. Let's say put 15 and you can see that the line's thickness is increased. Now let's do some animation. Go over here and select the uniform scale and click this clock icons to make the first keyframe. And now you can see that your first keyframe is created. Now change the value to 0. And now where you want the second keyframe, go up to there and create the another keyframe here. Now second time to create the another keyframe, you click on this icon and you can see that your second keyframe is created. Now change the value into 100 and the line is appeared. And now let's see some animation. You can see this is the line animation starting from one point and the end with the second point. If you want to change the speed of this line animation, click your keyframe and move the keyframe. If you move closer, the speed will be faster. If you move far, the speed will be slower. Let's start again. Now you can see the speed is quite faster. Now let's move at the end and let's again, you see the speed is slow this time. This is how you make the create the line and animate it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time. Bye.